Hey Siri, take me to RKA.
Getting directions to RKA luggage. Starting route to RKA luggage. Head southwest on Autoboni Drive.
Hey Senna, volume down.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Cloverdale Boulevard. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, arriving at RKA. And we usually park the bike out in front, but I'm going to point it right into the door because we're going to take it inside and set it up for a little video today. Front left strap is going to go right through this area right here, and if there's any wires or cables around, make sure that you don't get tangled up in them. So we just pull it up, and then I'm going to tuck this one underneath those cables so that we don't press on any cables. They might be something that can't take pressure. On this side, the webbing is going to go right around this area right here. So bring that up through there and loop the webbing around here. And we're going to snug it up like that. Now, we don't want to do this because there's something there in the way. So tuck it through here. Okay, now we have what we call a crossover strap, and this keeps the straps from falling down in the front. So we'll go ahead and put that one on the left side. And then we're going to take and put the webbing on. Now we're going to take and put the buckle on into the front, down in the back. And we've already cut and burned these so they won't fray. There's the left side. Now, the crossover, which we showed you on the other side, is here waiting to go on. So that's going to go into there. Then the buckle goes on into the front, out the back, and we're done. The back strap is going to go right underneath here. This is just a lip, so the webbing can actually fall out of there, but we're going to secure it with the seat, and I'll show you how that goes. So we're going to put it up underneath here and get this piece of webbing right here. Now, that is going to be secure because when we put the seat on, this section here will go into there and secure it. Like that. Now we're going to put the tank bag on. Just set that right there. Bring up your buckle and pop it in. This buckle, pop it in. And the back buckle, pop it in. Now we want to center it and tighten it down. Make sure that it's nice and level on the bike. And now once you get this tightened down like that, it will not move at all. Solid bag. So this is all of my electrics that run the little night light. It runs my phone charger, and it runs my electric liner controller here. So once you get everything organized, you close the wrap up and it looks nice and neat. Not a bunch of wires running around, it's all enclosed. And I've included one of our LED lights, so when I'm fueling or working at night and I open the tank bag, I can see what's inside the tank bag. And I positioned it so you could kind of get an idea graphically where we are. So the blue dot is us. We're north of San Francisco, west of Sacramento. So right now we have the phone in my Perfect Squeeze phone holder, and that is attached to our dashboard. And then I have the power running inside the tank bag, and that plugs into a USB port. I have my electric liner attached. There's my plug for my liner. There's the power cord that goes to the battery.